I'm Julia Holston-Clark and I'm Chief Executive of Wales Restorative Approaches Partnership. The Wales Restorative Approaches Partnership delivers training and qualifications and restorative delivery and practice and strategic consultancy to anyone who wants to work restoratively and really build and maintain and repair relationships. Our business grew from an idea that came from young lifers in Cardiff Prison. And they were saying, after working restoratively, why hadn't this happened sooner with my family when I was in school? And that's when I got into crime. We've grown by employing more people year on year, and the aim is to grow steadily whilst looking after people along the way so that the service can expand across Wales and wider. I think being a social business and a cooperative means our value base is really explicit and strong. We're moving into the area of health and well-being. We're moving back into prison, which is fantastic, but it's very rewarding in that you see the skills that we train people in being lived out in their own lives because they're skills for life, and then you see them thrive.